Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? This is Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani. I'm here in front of you today to share lots of tips, totkas, and lot many things with you all. Are you all ready? Alright, let's wait for more followers to join us today. Hi Deepshika. Hi, how are you? So today I will just tell you all to be ready with one pen and paper where you can keep on writing the tips and totkas what I will be sharing with you all. Let's wait for more people to join. Yeah, this looks better. Hi Abha. How are you, darling? Thank you for joining this live Instagram. Hi Abha. We'll wait for a few minutes. Let everyone join. Till the time, please be ready with pen and paper with you all. Because today you're going to write tips and totkas for money and for many other things also. Are you all ready with one pen and paper? Is this better or this is better? I think that is better. I think this is better. Cool. Guys, please follow me on Instagram so that you should keep on getting the message whenever I go live, so that you don't miss my live every day, whenever, whatever you want to see. So, who all have joined? Let's see. Deepshika is there, Nikita is there, Meenal is there, Abha is there. Lovely to see you all, my dearies. Hi Nikita, how are you, darling? Hi Deepshika. Okay. Hi Meenal. Hi Anmol. Good to see you. Hi Parita. Hi Hiral. Okay, cool. So let's start. I think whoever is missing, they will see the recordings then. And let's go with this. Let's go with the flow. Let's start with one of the best totka. Please keep your pen and paper ready with you all. Please keep your pen and paper ready with you all. And let's start with first totka of the day. The first totka of the day is every day. The first totka of the day is on the day of Ekadashi to Purnima. I repeat, from Ekadashi to Purnima. Ekadashi is again the Krishna's day till full moon day. Light one diya made up of the wheat dough. Light one diya made up of wheat dough and make four corners of the diya and light all the four vatis. Light all the four vatis and chant the mantra Aing Shreem Rim Kleem Krishnaya Namaha. I repeat, Aing Shreem Rim Kleem Krishnaya Namaha, and keep diya outside the door. So this mantra you need to chant it for only 11 times. Only 11 times. Once you have finished the chanting, keep the diya outside the door. Once the diya is over, take the dough and keep it outside the door, outside the house of yours, where any animal can eat it or ants can eat it, or keep it under any tree. Clear? Do you want me to repeat again? Please type in your chat box and let me know if you want me to repeat again, please. Okay, Abha. Okay. From Ekadashi till Purnima, you have to light one diya. That diya should be made up of wheat dough and make four corners from that dough and make a diya and put four vatis and light all the four vatis. After lighting the four vatis, you need to chant this mantra, and the mantra is Aing Shreem Rim Kleem Krishnaya Namah. These are 6 words. I repeat, Aing Shreem Rim Kleem Krishnaya Namah. These are 6 words, and you need to chant this mantra only for 11 times in front of the diya. Okay, after completing the mantra for 11 times, keep the lighted diya outside the house. After keeping it outside the house, once the diya is over, keep it under any tree and come back home. This is one of the biggest totka for financial blockages. When anyone goes through any financial issues, this totka works amazing. Clear? If it is clear, please write clear in the chat box. Hi Nikki, how are you, darling? Coming to next. To keep your family protected from corona or any kind of negativity, just boil neem ke patte and take bath with those neem ke patte. Just take bath with that water. It will always keep your house protected from negative energies and corona or any kind of evil effects. It is just superb to follow that. Okay. Coming to next totka of the day. If you want money to come in your life, firstly, I always say, please remove the clutter from your house for Lakshmi ji to come to your house. If you want to attract money, abundance, prosperity, make sure that the things what have been not used from last 3 to 6 months, how is it possible for it to be used in future? So remove that clutter that is no more needed in your house, which is unnecessarily blocking the space for the new thing to come in your life. Okay, third thing I want to say about to protect yourself from negative energies and evil eye again. Take a black thread, a small black thread, this much. Take a black thread, tie it in your foot toes, in your feet, toes of your feet, and tie it and give 2.5 knots. If you are unable to give 2.5 knots, just give 2 knots. This will always keep you protected from negative energies, evil eye, or any kind of negative effect. Hi Shoma. Okay. For Shani problem, if anybody is having any Shani problem, take 1.5 meter cloth, buy 1.5 meter cloth and put 1 kg of urad dal in that. Take any cloth color, it's okay. You don't have to look out for that particular cloth. It's like any color cloth is okay. 1.5 meter of cloth. Put 1 kg of urad dal in that. Keep it under any tree and come back. Don't look behind. Don't look behind. Do this totka. It is just amazing. It is really amazing. Alright. So coming to next. If your career is blocked, if your career is not moving the way you are expecting, then donate some coins of 1 rupee or 50 paisa or 2 rupees. Minimum 10 coins. Small coins you should be giving. Not a big 10 rupee, 1 coin and it's done. 10 small coins and add chane ki dal, 1 fist of chana dal, and donate it to any poor. Your career blockage will be removed. Okay, mostly children come to me for admission purpose. If there is admission issue with you and you are facing any admissions issue, just see to it that you are taking bath with salt water on a daily basis. Along with that, if you can donate dosas made up of rice, you can either donate rice or dosas, because dosas work more faster. Dosas to be donated on Saturdays. The admission purpose will be solved from that time onwards. You will not face any admission issues. Your admissions will take place immediately in whichever college you are expecting, only on Saturdays. Only rice dosas. I repeat, no urad dal added in that. Only rice dosas to be donated, or rice. But more than rice, dosas work more effectively. Okay, so for this, these are some of the tips and totkas of the day. If you want to know more tips and totkas from me, please follow me on Instagram. Please share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel so that you should keep on receiving more and more tips, totkas, answering the queries towards from tarot and lot many things. So how did you like today's session? Please write it in your comment box right now. And we will meet again by, today is 10th, so we are going to meet on 13th again with you all. So 13th again I am going to come live with you all and share with you lots of tips, totkas and amazing things with you all. Alright? Thank you very much. Namaste. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye.